This video tutorial is made to guide how to increase video volume permanently using a video volume booster, Joyoshare Media Cutter. Firstly, run Joyoshare Media Cutter and then import the target video file. Secondly, go to the formatting window and start the encoding mode to activate the editing function. After that, select an output format as you like. If necessary, you can click a gear icon to custom the output quality, like codec channel, sample rate, bitrate, resolution, frame rate, etc. Thirdly, return to the main interface and leave for the editing window. To increase video volume, head to the Audio tab and then to the Volume section. You can directly drag the volume adjuster to the right to enhance volume, or manually type decibels in the volume box. Subsequently, freely do other editings according to your requirements. In the last step, touch the Start button to export the video with volume enhanced quickly.